Look at this paradise. I am so happy that I have discovered this magical natural place, Vishamnsudde. That can be definitely a clothing optional nudist beach spot, as it is super difficult to get here and it is not marked with anything on Google Maps either, but it is a beautiful, natural, untouched cliff slash rocky beach in Värdmö. And I'm so happy that I decided to explore this, as I was earlier at another beautiful secluded beach, but close to where people have summer houses or their homes, at Visham, close to Sandhamnsvägen. And then when I saw this beautiful piece of nature, I knew it that nobody is going to be here. And it is true. Since it is around 3 kilometers from the closest bus stop and at least 1 kilometer from the closest house, in a very difficult terrain that you need to be careful to climb, even on wooden unstable stairs, and even with a rope I climbed once. So I think I have found my new happy spot here in Stockholm region. Despite this being around 40 kilometers from my home, I can definitely be coming here at least once or twice a year with the public transport, as I wouldn't be able to carry on my bike actually in this field. But yeah, I'm so happy that I'm finally discovering new stuff, and there is not a single soul over here in the radius of 1 kilometer at least. And this peninsula, how to say, continues along the other side. But this one is great over here because it will have even the sunset. Now it is 5:30 p.m. and I have been enjoying today at this area here at Visham, which is not so usual, as most of the people that are going for summer break will go to Storasand or Björkvik, and it is super crowded over there, not just with public transport but with cars as well. But this is pure magic. This is even better than the pebble beach that I have shown you earlier on my channel. I can definitely call this clothing optional off and take off my swimming shorts when the camera is off, for sure, as there is not a single soul. So yeah, I'm so happy that I discovered this magical spot, and I measured the temperature in the water earlier to be 16 degrees Celsius. Now let's see if that is the same over here. And the water looks so clean and so stunning indeed. And I think it's also deep quite fast here. Yeah, I'm so happy that I have finally managed to come here, as I have been seeing this spot on the map for a long time, and finally the time has come. Oh look, there's even a few fish here in the sea, in the Baltic Sea. It's majestic indeed. It is 13th of July, a Sunday, and quite warm actually. In Stockholm city it is 25 degrees, but here on the sea it's around 21 degrees Celsius. Usually it's always colder. And now it's actually 17 over here. It's a bit warmer. Maybe during the day it has warmed up a bit from some of the sunlight. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna be enjoying this swim at this magical natural spot for sure. Let's go while I show you also some beautiful footage of this fantastic place out on the Baltic Sea in Värdmö, Vishamnsudde. Let's see. Okay, here we have some rocks and plants. So ready, set, and go! Wow. Wow, wow. I just love this type of secluded, natural, rocky beaches out in the middle of nowhere. It is so beautiful. Magical nature all around. So I will be definitely returning to this spot, and we'll be exploring also along the coast here, as it looks stunning indeed. Now today is a hot day and a Sunday, so it should have been filled with people if people were coming here, but I guess nobody is coming here for sure. And even if people come, it is so huge that it stretches also along that coast even, so there will be plenty of space for everyone. So yeah, found another clothing optional nudist beach spot in Stockholm region. So yeah, that is a wrap from this magical spot and the second beach vlog for today actually on my channel. I'm gonna be enjoying here now and exploring a bit more in this forest and the very tough terrain that is. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.